I'm Harshavardhani doing second year biomedical engineering in Rajalakshmi Engineering College. So I took this course medical biomaterials because I want to learn from a different domain from my like medical devices. Also it was really fascinating, like the methods they use and like all the principles and the necessary parameters that we should know before like choosing a biomaterial and using its application. So it was really useful. Thanks to NPTEL and Sir Dr. Mukesh. Yeah.
Hello, I am Dr. Anita Rexelin Devraj, Assistant Professor of Physics, Met University. So actually, biomedical materials is a trending one now. It's a frontier topic. I have a basic idea about nanoparticles only. Thanks to Professor Mukesh to watch all the procedures to make 3D printing and everything. It's really useful. We had a very clear idea about the practical knowledge of making biomaterials and what about the advantages and disadvantages over the materials and especially polymers and metals. It is really useful, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Devya. I'm a dental surgeon. In the day-to-day dental practice, what we use is a biomaterial, but today I've learned how it is made and the applications. So, thanks to Professor Mukesh Doble and the scholars who have explained it very nice. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Catherine. I'm a practicing periodontist. I use a lot of biomaterials in my day-to-day practice, for example, bone grafts, GTR membranes and implants. Although I've only concentrated on the clinical part, and this course took me into the manufacturing part and the other theoretical part. And I thank Dr. Mukesh and his team for his brilliant effort. It was a good session. Thank you.
Hey, my name is Midhu Naya. I'm from Mondas College of Engineering, Trivandrum. So it was first time we are attending such a lab session, and it was really good. We got to know a lot of techniques, practices, and it's all through this NPTEL course. And thanks to Sir for giving us an opportunity to visit his lab and to study more about this. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm actually doing third year Biotechnology in Mondas College. It's my first experience having interactive session in IIT College, and I thank Sir for giving us this opportunity to have a visit on his lab, and thank you all.
So I'm A.R. Mukilan from Assistant College of Engineering, Chennai. So I know some basics of medical biomaterials, and I like to study in depth. I want to study what are the things and what are the materials needed. So thanks for Sir who gave this opportunity to learn in depth how are the instruments used and what are the methods for biomaterials.
I'm Shubhanati Purnima. I'm coming from Satyabama University. I'm doing my MTech final year, and this was a very interesting course. And I'm doing my final year project in biomaterials for dental application. So it is very closely related to my project. I'm also planning for the PhD in the same field. So this course was very useful, and I did not expect such a wonderful session. Everything was very nice, and everybody was so kind, and they explained all the doubts very patiently. This was very nice. Thank you.
My name is Safa, third year biotechnology student in Mohandas. This is my first experience in IIT, so it's wonderful, and everybody taught us more information. Especially that, I don't know, what's that name? I don't know her name, but she's amazing. Thank you, Shish.
Hi friends, my name is Atira. I'm doing my third year BTech in Biotechnology. I'm studying from Mondas College of Engineering Technology, and this was a very informative and such a great experience for us. Thanks for Sir and the complete NPTEL team and all the research scholars who helped who taught us every instrument very patiently, and it was very informative for us. So thank you the whole team.
I hope you enjoyed the demonstration by our research scholars, patiently explained all the instruments, and you have seen it live. Otherwise in the course, although I said we have two full lectures where I demonstrate all the instruments, but nothing like seeing it live. And some of you have come from a long distance, so I hope it was useful for you. So for students, I think IITs you can think of as a future for higher studies, or even later on as postdoctoral experience also. For others, if you are interested to know more, or if you have any doubts, you can always talk to some of my research scholars, or even talk to me to get doubts cleared, or during your course of your research as well, actually. I wish you all the best in the course. I wish you all the best in the final exam. as well, which is happening in April. Okay, all of you can keep in touch, write to us, write to some of our research scholars also. Let me thank my research scholars, TAs, and also the NPTEL team who has